Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So last yesterday I practiced lots of topics and I completed Python basic topics similar to this one. Here Python control panel everything like similar this one. Okay, I completed Python basics typecasting in the Python. Then today I'll complete control panel, control flow, and also function in Python. Then data structure. Then I will show you code, how to write code, conditional loops, loop control, then function, argument, scope of variable, data structure, and working with string. Everything I will cover in this lecture. Okay, so let's go to the start with base code. First of all, we'll check conditional statement. Okay, control flow conditional statement fields. So now let's go to the code directly. I just delete this one. Yesterday I work with this code. Now conditional statement, if I write anything, this variable is equal to 20, then type here if is less than equal 18, then print here you are a minor. Okay, print here you are a minor. Okay, if now if has been completed, now else or if is is equal 18, 18, then it will be print you just become a adult. You just become a adult. Okay, I mistake this one. Use inverted comma inside print. Okay, now okay. Then now else print you are an adult. Print you are an adult. Check this code, please. Run, then start debugging. Python file or open terminal or run again. Wait for few seconds. It will show you the execution output here. You are an adult. Okay. If you type here, this is the 70. Then save again. Then run again. Then here you are an ant adult. You are an ant adult. You are here. You just complete if you print this age. Sorry, for this 18. Okay, here 18. Okay, but I have to decrease the age here 70. If your age is 17, then I think it's the crash or what. Okay, run again this one. Then you are a minor because under 18, then it will show you are a minor. Okay, so now we are going to another code. I just everything, the comment in the previous first lecture we learned about the comment system. Okay, now we are learn the about for loop for I in range. If I write the range about 5, then it will be print 0 to 4. That means statement print number here, use inverted comma, number is, then inverted comma close, then print I, which is the variable print I, then print this number, save it, and run this number. It will print 0 to 4, that means 5, 0 to 4, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's counted automatically. Line of range, the loops runs 5 times at a time, 5 times. Okay, this is very simple. Now while loop is very easy also. First count the, it automatically show to me this code. That means you can't understand anything, you can type easily, it's not mandatory. Okay, I know that the code how to write, and I practice previous day, so that's why if run the something mistake, then I can count it, and I can guess it easily. So that's why I just type. Okay, so guys, you if you newbie or new student, then don't it, because it's a very tough section. Count equal 1, then if I print the number 5, then loop while count less than equal 5, then print is use inverted comma count, inverted comma close, then print your variable. Okay, count, then here count plus plus 1, that's the loop. So loop will be run here, plus equal 1, it will be redirected again, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's this is the system. Save it and run. Okay, it's a very simple code, but you have to run again. So this one is previous, then count to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you think that it will print 10 times, then save it and count again. This is the practice. Okay, practice makes man perfect. So here is the count number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. If you print 100, then it will be print 100. Okay, run and count again. 100. Okay, this very fastest python code is very faster than super. Okay, if I close this terminal and again run it. Okay, it's don't close, delete, then run again. This is super fast. How fast is this? Okay, like if you write a C programming code, then I think it will be downtime is better than Python, but not like that. It will be super fast, better than C program or C plus plus. Okay, only 1 second a execution time. It's now already printed. Okay, now loop statement or function. The loop control statement will be the stop the loop immediately. Okay, now I will practice again. loop control statement. Now here I don't drive this show exactly. If you think I'm not expert on this code, so that's why I'll type another things like for loop for x equal x in range equal 10. Now if I write x equal 5, here will be break, then print x below, use inverted comma, x x below is print this x. Okay, save it. First of all you have to comment this one. Quick fix. What is the problem? Okay, this is the starting point, that's why. How? Why time this one? Okay, now solve. I, this is the spacing problem. Okay guys, so now run it. Okay, x below is equal 0 to 4. That is the similar of printed for loop. So if you think here it will be printed 10 time or 11, then what happening in this code run again. Okay, 0 to 9, because we already uh, already printed, already command this one 10 time. Okay, and if x is equal to 11, then break. What happening? Break will 10 time, then print x below, only x below. Okay, so that's the code. So I hope you understand. So thank you for this code. Now I'm going to next step. Now if I write another code like continue and skip current iteration, then write here for x in range 10 time, then print if x equal x or x modulus 2 is equal 0, then continue here, continue, then print use inverted comma print x only. Or if you think that inverted comma is not no problem here, then don't need, because we already print x module here, and we didn't define this one, so that's why don't use the inverted comma also here. So start debugging. 0 the modulus, that means your skip continuously 13579. If I don't understand, then go to Google. Okay, use ChatGPT. I'm just showing to you. Give me explain this code. Explain this code. If I don't understand anything, then I just write down here. Okay, for x in range, this is the loop runs from 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9. So x takes value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If x modulus 2 equals 0, that means 2 divided 10. Okay, that means 5. At every time check reminder when x is divided by 2. If the remainder is 0, the number is even. The number is even. Continue skip this current loop iteration. So x is even, program jumps to next number, uh, and doesn't not run print x. Print x, that means only if number is not even, meaning only odd number will be printed. I think that is the output 13257. Here is the main things, like 2 divided 10, 2 divided 10 again, that means print will be 0 to 9. That means odd number 13579, it will be printed. Okay, so guys, this is very easy and simple. And now if you think, here again write this code and practice it again. I just, okay, copy this and again comment. Okay, here you can print these three, then you can understand easily. Run and start debugging again. Here is the mention 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay, because only 3 divided 9. The 9 will be removed from here. If you think here will be only 1, 1, that means everything will be printed. Okay, so I hope it will be 4. So now print, save and run again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 9. Then 4 has been removed. Okay. So this is the main things. And every odd number will be printed, even number will be printed. When 2, that means again save this and run it again. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Only 2 number has been removed. So this is the odd and even number printed for using loop. Okay, so now accept it and print in the loop. Okay, save it and print it. End of the loop. That's very simple. Now we are learn Python, a function in the Python. Okay, function Python. Def at a b, this is the variable. Then here return, easily return your code a plus b. Okay, then add result equal add 5, 3 or any number. Print this result, print result, print it, save. Okay, run it. That means the 8. Okay, then this is the number of summation we called addition. Okay, you can tell 15 and here 13, then it will be automatically printed and run again. Okay, 18. That means our addition is working now. And now we are typing here summation. That's called the practice it only. And use this here, minus and add. If you think add this, count this number, no problem. You can like use summation. Okay, just check this one because I didn't use. Okay, yes, this is working now. Return this number. Add is the one kind of function here. So function call again. Then your number will be written here. Minus b. That means 15 to 13. That will be 20. Okay, it's very simple. You can note down here. So, summation subtraction function. Subtraction function. Now function with a default argument some function with default argument. Okay, def welcome your name is equal to guest print welcome. Use the name of variable inside this one. Then call this function welcome. If you think you mention the name, then you can. Okay, welcome. Use inverted comma every time. Print this one. If any wrong, yes, wrong is here. Okay, because there's the function didn't define the here inside of print. Save and run again. Okay, now okay. Welcome guest, welcome Mashu. So that means if you think you will write down the inside of print, then it will didn't work. Okay, in your code. So I hope you will understand. Now data structure in Python. Data structure. I want to write this one comment, but now print the terminal again. If I print list order, if I print list order mutable, these fruits equal use third curly braces inverted comma apple use inverted comma banana. Oh no, then use mango Or if you want to print cherries or orange, fruits dot append, that means it will be print only this, that's number objective as a called, like orange, you can print this orange or mango. First use the mango, use inverted comma here, mango, print fruits, save and run again. Okay, here's the fruits will be all printed: apple, banana, mango, orange, and mango. Okay, why mango? Double time, because uh, we appendix this list again. And if you think that you can print another like melon, then it will be print here melon. Okay, run again. And if you think Control 5, you will be automatically run Control 5. Okay, sorry, control F5. That means apple, banana, mango, orange, and melon. That's called the append listed order. If you think another list will be automatically inside here, then use this another way, like grapes, and comma use again melon, melon, whatever. That's or another food like juicy or lisi. Okay, another name, lisi. Save and control F5. Inspection errors. Three given number. Okay, now it works correctly. If you print this another function name like lychee, what happened? Save it, run again. Okay. The type error, that means appended list one, only one you can add, or double time you can add, no problem. Simply remove this one, it will be automatically work. Okay. So now again, uh, tuple ordered, that means print and other things. There's one. Now we practice again, and list already created tuple dictionary. Now we are example. I'm giving the example. Dictionary key value pairings, dictionary methods, set unique data elements, set operation, and list. cooperation. Okay, then working with team. Then today we completed our lessons. Okay, now let's go to the code here. Student dictionary, student student equal. If I print this way, like code name, then use your name, age equal, use inverted comma also here, age equal 25, country, then print here, function call this function call function name student, then use print, use curly braces, third bracket, which is actually name. Okay, and inside here use the third bracket name curly braces. Save it and run. Okay, your student name is Masuk. Then if you want to print this name of age, then what is happen here? So inside age, then 25. If you want to print country, then you can print country, then print again and run it. Bangladesh. Okay, so we learned also dictionary key value pairs. Then now set number of set unique item and under unordered. Okay, here first of all numbers equal curly braces or second curly braces, one two three four five six or five. Okay, now then here print numbers. This is very simple. Save it and print. Start debugging. It will print 1 2 3 4 5. That's called the uh, set print. Okay, so why set print? Because here duplicates remove. That means duplicates 5 again, or 5 automatically duplicates remove, and inside here you can type set number, set moderator use 1 2 3 4 5. Double five will be removed from here. Okay, and now algorithm example is the algorithm. Okay, I just hide this one. Find the largest number, simple algorithm. 4, then 12, then 7, then 3, then 9. Okay, largest numbers equal which one? 0, 4, number in numbers, if number largest largest is equal to number. I think that for number in numbers that calls, if number greater than equal largest, then largest equal number, largest equal number, then here print inside 4. Okay, print largest largest number. This print this number. Okay, start debugging. Largest number is 12. Okay, so if you think that the largest number will be print 90, then what happened? Okay, largest number is 19. So same way you can find the smallest number. Same way you just print this here type variables for small and small and print small, then smallest, then it will be find whose this number is smallest. Okay, so this same way, this is your homework. Do it. If you saw my full tutorial, then I think that it will be your homework. Now, search algorithm, linear search item is equal, use curly braces, start number 20, then 30, then 40, then here target, sorry, target equal 30, target equal 30, then found false, not accepted, found equal, then here for item loop, for item in items, then if item equal is equal to target, then found will be break or true. True, when true, then what happen? If found not break, if found, then print item or target found, else print not found. You use inverted comma all time. Okay, save it and print. It's working or not. Okay, target found. That means item, inside the item 10, 20, 30, and 40. Inside target 30, that means it will be found because it's already exists in this list. So now you can print 50. Then what happened? I think it will be show to you target not found, not found. Okay, so that's called query function. So that's called the name of function searching algorithm, linear search. That's called the searching algorithm, searching algorithm, and linear search, linear L-I-N-E-R, linear search. So guys, I hope you will understand very easily. Comment this one. And now I will give you example, another example, sorting algorithm similar of this one. Sorting, formatting, sorting methods, manipulation, regulation, expression. Then next time we will do it object oriented programming. That's the another work. Data structure and algorithm, tuples and dictionary, unique data element set operation, list cooperation, algorithm list, tuple, dictionary set, list cooperation, comprehensive comprehension. Time complexity, space complexity, sorting algorithm, linked list, stack, and queue. That's the huge number of algorithm. So we already covered the search algorithm, then sorting algorithm. That sorting algorithm, that means bubble sort. Okay, then if you think more learn, then you can go to ChatGPT and ask them how to write another function of like this one. Dictionary already covered, set list compression, time complexity, space complexity, sorting already covered. So linked list and stack and queue. Only stack and queue. Give me two example, stack and queue. Q, that means QUE. Okay. Okay, stack example, that means using Python list and output, then stack example using collection.q, then queue example using Python list. Okay, I want to give you two example. Copy this code, paste it here. Stack, this the undefined post element to 10, 20, and 10. Similar to this one. Okay, print puppet stack.pop, stack again stack.pop, then after stack, after pop stack. Okay, so print this one and run it again. Stack 10, 20, popped puppet 13 and popped puppet again 20, stack after pop 10. Very easy because here taken to pop, that means 13 first, then this the call second 20, then stack after pop 10. There's the serial maintain 13 20 10, 13 20 10. Okay, that's the stack. And here queue, another example, queue will be this one. Copy this and paste it here. 1 2 3, then it will be printed 1 2 3. Copy and paste 1 2 3. Okay, I before I mention 1, 2, 3. Use taken Q that means pop 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. This is the very easy way. Now I'm going to again this one taken Q and linked list sorting algorithm. I didn't cover the sorting algorithm. Okay. Now I'm writing the sorting algorithm code for your understanding. Sorting algorithm. There's the bubble set. Just call array and use the curly braces. You can accept this one simply 5 3 mention this name of 8 1 and 2. That's it. Okay, then for use for loop for I in range, then here mention this one length. First of all, range 0 frame, then len, then use array. So then here you can mention your uh, I minus 1. If you want to accept this one, you can accept for j in range. Then same way you can print this one. Oh, here I'm so sorry. For I in range length, then array. This is the function of printed. Okay, I mistake this line here. Delete this line. Okay, not it necessary. Where I mistake the z, I, and here will be z. Okay, then it will work. Okay, then error has been removed from here. Save it and start debugging. Nothing else. What happened? Oh, sorry. Here I have to print also. Print. I mistake this. Print this array. Otherwise, it will not work. Okay. Save it and run it again. Okay. So now print this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's the bubble sort. That's called bubble sort. That means sorting algorithm. Here the mention of name. If you want to explain this one, this code, then go to simply your ChatGPT, write it here, explain this code for your practicing, nothing else. Okay. Short list in ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 8. Then step by step explain area that means 5, 3, 5, 3, 8, 1, 2. This is the unsorted list. Outer loop for I in range length array runs n times. There are 5 times. After each pass, the largest element bubbles to the int. The inner loop becomes smaller each time. Let's go compares pairs of numbers here. Then array z and z plus 1. Then ensure we don't recheck the sorted part of the int. Here is the in the left element is bigger than its wrong position, so swap them. It's very easy, guys. Python equal to the swap values. This moves to smaller number to left, bigger one to int to right. That's the final compares swap 35812. Then compare 5 and 8. Okay, then swap 8 and 1, 351 to 8. Then compare 8 and 2, so 351 to 8. In the largest element 8 is now at the int. The final 1 2 3 4 5 8 8. If you want to, I can show that there's that bubble sort optimization. I don't need to this one. So guys, this is the one. So today I will finish this my tutorial number day 3. Day 3 completed. So if you like my video, also subscribe my YouTube channel. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video lecture.